መልካም ዛሬ ደግሞ የማትስ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ይር 7 ነው የሳንፎርድ ኢንተርናሽናል ስኩል ተማሪዎች ነው። ስለዚህ -0.9 ኢን ብራኬት 2.4 + 5.3 + 2.2 ነው። ስለዚህ በመጀመሪያ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? በብራኬት ያለውን እንሰራለን። ፈርስት ይሄን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 2.4 + 5.3 + 2.2 እናደርጋለን። 4 + 3 7 + 2 9 9 2 + 5 7 + 2 9 ስለዚህ ዶትን አወርዳታለሁ 9.9 ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ይመጣልኛል? -0.9 ታይምስ 9.9 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ እንዴት ነው መልቲፕሊኬሽን ላይ የምንሰራው? 99 ታይምስ 9 እናደርግና ከዛ ሁለቱም ፖይንቶች እናስገባለን ማለት ነው። 9 ታይምስ 9 81 ስለዚህ አንድን ጽፌ 8 አለኝ። 9 ታይምስ 9 81 ስለዚህ ፕላስ 8 89 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 2 points 1 2 ስለዚህ which is equal to 8.91 ይመጣል። ስለዚህ እቺ ደግሞ ኔጌቲቭ ናት። this one is negative sign, so the negative sign will be negative. ስለዚህ the answer will be -8.91. the next question -5.8 + 3.5 in bracket square -4.4 ነው። ስለዚህ what we do, we gonna calculate the bracket, then we gonna square, then we'll subtract. So first to calculate this, what we shall do, this is negative sign, this is positive sign. So the negative sign is in magnitude larger than 3.5. ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን? we subtract, then we will give a negative sign for the result. This means first this one, then how 5.8 minus 3.5 እናደርጋለን. So this one is larger, right? 8 minus 5 3, 5 minus 3 2, right? 2.3, right? But this one is negative, this one is positive, but we subtract and then we give this negative. ስለዚህ which is equal to, the answer will be -2.3 the whole square -4.4. Then we will multiply 23 by 23, then we're gonna count the decimals, then we will put it on 3 times 3 9, 3 times 2 6, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 2 4, which is equal to 9 12 and 5. ስለዚህ how many decimals did I have? 2 1 2. ስለዚህ 5.29. so negative times negative, it will be positive, which is equal to 5.29 minus 4.4, which is equal to 9 minus so to calculate this, 5.29 minus 4.4, then I add 0 here. This is 9, this is 2 minus 4, it couldn't, so it will be, I take out 1 here and it becomes 4, so this one is 12, 12 minus 4 8, this one is 0, so that's 0.89. so the answer is 0.89. great. So the third question, first we're gonna calculate the bracket within the board mass. Always you shall remember board mass, right? Great. 1.9 plus 2.1, right? This means 1.9 plus 2.1, which is equal to 0, and I have 1, and then it becomes 4. ስለዚህ which is equal to -2.6 times 4 minus 1.6. So first we multiply 4 times this, then it becomes 26 times 4. 4 times 6 24, and I have 2. 4 times 2 8 plus 2 10. So how many decimals did I have? One decimal, so I put it 10.4. so and I have negative sign, negative 10.4 minus 1.6. so these two negatives, what will be the result? They will become positive. That's it, which is equal to -10.4 plus 1.6. so This one is the negative and this one is positive. Which one is larger? This one. So we subtract this one from this one and then we put negative sign from the answer. Is it 10.4 minus 1.6, which is equal to 4 minus 6? It could not be possible, so I get 1 here and it becomes 9 and it becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 8, and 9 minus 1, 8, 8.8. So I will put negative for the answer because this one is negative. The negative is larger. Minus 8.8 is the answer. Great. So next, minus 2.59 minus 3.8 plus minus 4.7, the whole square. So first we shall square this. So negative 4.7 times negative 4.7. So the answer will be positive. Negative times negative, it becomes positive. So we multiply 47 times 47. Then we add two decimals because I have 1 and then 2. 7 times 7, 49, and I have 4. 7 times 4, 28 plus 4, 32. 4 times 7, this 4 times 7, 28. I have 2. And 4 times 4, 16 plus 2, 18. So then add 9, 0, and I have 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 12, and becomes 2. So 1, 2. So this will be, which is equal to minus 2.59 minus 3.8 plus, don't miss this, 22.09. Why? This is negative times negative. It becomes positive. Now we're gonna add this and then subtract from this one. Minus 2.59. I will add them because they are negative and negative, and I would add them and then I will give negative marks. 2.59 plus 3.8. So 9, 5 plus 8. This one's 9, 5 plus 8, 13, and I have 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6.39 and negative, which is equal to minus 6.39 plus 22.09. Now I subtract 6.39 from 22.09. 22.09 minus 6.39. So 9 minus 9, 0. It is 0 minus 3, not possible. So I take 1 here and it will be 1. It will be 10. 10 minus 3, 7. And 1 couldn't. So I take 1 here and it becomes 11. 11 minus 6 will be 11 minus 6, 5. And I have 1. So the answer is equal to 15.70. Excellent. So number 5. First, we multiply the we gonna do the bracket, then we will square it, then we're gonna do these parts, negative parts. So minus 2.5 minus 1.7 means you're gonna add them and then put a negative sign. So minus, so I will add them 2.5 plus 1.7 because if it is negative and negative on both sides, so I will add them and then give 5 plus 7, 2 is 12, and I have 1, and 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4.2. So which is equal to negative 4.2 square minus 1.9. This means 4.22 means negative times negative, positive time, which is equal to 42 times 42. Then I will add 2 decimal places from the answer. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. So 4, 16, I have 1, 17. So 6 plus 1, 7, and then 1. So I will 1, 2. I will put 2 decimal places. This is negative times negative, so the answer will be positive 17.69, no, 64, I'm sorry, 0.64 minus 1.9. So which is equal to, this will be positive 17.64 plus 1.9. Why this? Because when two negative come at a time, they're gonna cancel each other and it becomes positive. So I will add 1.9 from 70.64. So it becomes 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 9, 15, and I have 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, and 1. So it will be 19.54. The answer will be 19.544. Great. Okay, question 6. We have two brackets. So we first do the internal bracket first, then the outside bracket. So 3.7 minus 2.3. How much is it? 3.7 minus 2.3. 7 minus 3, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 1.4. Which means 5.8 minus 1.4 times 1.5. Excellent. Which is equal to 5.8 minus 1.4. 5.8 minus 1.4. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 4, 4. 4.4. Which is equal to 4.4 times 1.5. So to do this, I will multiply 44 times 15. Then I will count 1 decimal and 2 decimal places for the answer. 44 times 15. 5 times 4, 20, and I have 2. 5 times 4, 20, and I have 2, 22. 1 times 4, 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 4, the same 4. So 0, then I will add them, 0, 6, 6. So I have 2 decimal places, 1, 2, which is equal to 6.6. So the answer is 6.6. Next. This one is advanced question, question 7. So how we gonna do this? First of all, we will do this part. Then we will going to do this division. Here we're gonna change the sign, then the division part, and then we will continue. Excellent. So with this will be 1.3 minus 2.1 minus, and then we will do this. We will multiply this. 0.2 times 3.9 means I will do 39 times 2. 2 times 9, 18, and I have 1. 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. And how many decimal did I have? 1, 2. So 1, 2. This will be minus of 0.78 divided by minus 0.6. Excellent. So let me write it clearly here. Minus 1.3 minus 2.1 minus 0.78 divided by minus 0.6. So this sign will be positive. So which is equal to minus 1.3 minus 2.1 plus 0.78 divided by negative 0.6. Excellent. So this means, so this sign will be which is equal to, so what we do, 78. So what we do next, 0. This part only, let me do here. 0.78 means 78 over 100 divided by negative 6 over 10, which is equal to 78 over 100 times 10 over 6. So this one cancels this one cancels 1, and it becomes 30. Yeah, so this negative will come, and this one will be negative. Negative 1 times 30, negative 13 divided by 10, negative 1.3. So this will be negative 1.3. Excellent. So what do we do next? Negative 1.3 minus 2.1 minus 1.3 here. Excellent. So what's next? This will be 2. So we're gonna add them, and then we're gonna like put a negative sign. So let's say 1.3 plus 1.3, it is 2.6. So 2.6 plus 2.1 will be 7.4, 4.7, which is equal to minus 4.7. So be sure that what we did here, this one's like the main idea behind this test. Thank you so much. So question 8, okay, 5.9 minus 5.9 minus 1.2 square plus 0.4. So what we did here, we will multiply this 1.42 times 1.2, which is equal to 12 times 12, and then 2 times 2 4, 2 times 1 2, 1 times 2 2, 1, which is equal to 144, and I have two decimal place 1.44, so which is equal to 5.9 minus 5.9 minus 1.44 plus 0.4. So here, so this will be, this one cancels this one, so this will be 0 minus 1.44 plus 0.4. So I will subtract 1.44, 0 from 1. I will subtract 0.4 from 1.44, and then I will put negative sign. So when I subtract, it will be for 0.1. So this one is negative, the bigger one is negative, so the answer will be 1.04.